Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Dunkin Donuts are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
The temperature on this crate is perfect.
Okay, I'm bringing the next pallet of flour now.
The secret is maintaining the perfect consistency, a precise balance of sweetness and texture achieved through rhythmic kneading.
The temperature is holding steady at 22.
Good. Yeast activation looks nominal.
Every donut is cooked at the perfect temperature for that signature bite.
Only the best donuts earn the Dunkin name.
And that's how Dunkin' Donuts are made, Tuver Turcaned, from start to finish.